Hi, what is the value of k? Given that we have k plus 1 equals k, then let's have it to the solution. So from here, let's divide through by k. So we are going to have k divided by k plus 1 divided by k equals k divided by k. Then from here, k divided by k will be 1 plus 1 divided by k equals, from here to k divided by k will be equals 1. Then taking this one to the other side, we are going to have 1 divided by k equals 1. This will change to minus 1. Then from here, we are going to have 1 divided by k to be equals 0. Then from here, 1 divided by k equals 0. So if we are to cross multiply, we are not going to have the possible value of k. Then let's obtain the reciprocal of k. So from here, it implies that we have k to be equals 1 divided by 0. Then let us note this. 1 divided by 0 is equals what? But before that, let us recall that when you have 10 divided by 2, what does it mean? It means how many of the bundle of 2 can we take from 10? And that is why this equivalence to us, when you have 10 minus 2, this will give you 8. So from here, when you also take 8 divided by 2, this will be equals 8 minus 2, we have it to be 6. And likewise, when you also take 6 divided by 2, so we are going to have 6 minus 2, and this will give you 4. Then also, when you also take 4 divided by 2, this will be equals 4 minus 2, and this will equals 2. When you also take 2 divided by 2, will be equals 2 minus 2, which equivalent to 0. So therefore, when you now count this, 1, you count this 2, you count this 3, 4, 5. And that is why when you have 10 divided by 2 will be equals 5. So from this ideology, then let us now go back to when you have 1 divided by 10, we must let you know that this will give you infinity. And how is it possible like this to be equals infinity? Let's see. So we say 1 divided by 0 equals infinity. And the reason is that when you take a look at it, when you say 1 divided by 0, this equals as when you say 1 minus 0, which will be equals 1. Likewise, when you also say 1 again divided by 0, this will be equals 1 minus 0, which will be equivalent to 0. You can see when you also take 1, this one, here will be 1. When you take this 1 divided by 0, this will be equals 1 minus 0, which equals 1. So what we are trying to say here is that as we are coming down like this, this will be equivalent to 1. It will not change. And so therefore, that is why we say when you have k to be equals 1 divided by 0, this will be equals infinity. But mind you that this will give you both negative and positive infinity. So therefore, finally, we can say we have our k to be equals positive or negative infinity. And this is the first method for solving this problem. Now let's take a look at the second method. Let's say method 2. Now from this method 2, let's square both sides. So that means we are going to have k plus 1 all square to be equals k square. And in this case, the reason why we square both sides is to avoid the negative answer. So we reform it as this. Then from here, when you open this expansion, we're going to have k square plus 2k plus 1 will be equals k square. Then from here, let's take this one to the other side. We have 2k plus 1 equals k square, this minus k square, this one. So we're going to have 2k plus 1 equals 0. K square minus k square will be equals 0. Then from here, we have 2k. Taking this one to the other side, we're going to have it to be minus 1. Then we can get the value of k by dividing through by 2. So this and this will cancel. So we are going to have our k to be equals minus 1 divided by 2. Here is another solution for the k. And what we are trying to say here is that for the first solution, if you want to test when k equals minus 1, then let's verify. We are going to have k plus 1 then equals k when k equals this. So, but mind you that we have it to be square, or let's have it as this first. Then here will be minus 1 over 2 plus 1 equals, is it going to give us minus 1 over 2? Then from here, we have here to be minus 1 over 2. Let's square it. If it's going to give us minus 1 over 2 again, all square. So definitely, this will be the same thing. This one will be 1 divided by 4 equals 1 divided by 4. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye-bye.